chicken tractor made at the house. Got this little sliding door. Use some screws to hold it together. Little tin top. Little nesting box. Pretty simple, pretty cheap. Just a box found at work. Put a little axle on there. Put some boards to support it. It is a little tough to push when you get on little high spots. We've had a lot of moles this year. Chickens. They dig that water, in case anybody was wondering. It does work. They know how to use it. There's our goat farm. We've only got 4 right now. That's Frank walking. That's Linda behind him. And there's Haley. And then there's Kevin. Oh, Kevin.